Prema. The Bhagavatam is Prema Pradata Shastra. It's a Shastra which gives prema. That's why it's called Amala Prana. There's 18 major pranas, there's unlimited Upa pranas. Only the Bhagavatam is set up and established in such a way to give us Krishna prema, specifically Krishna and Vrindavan. 10th canto is that. That's the emphasis on the Bhagavatam. That's why it starts off Vrindavan Leela. So the whole Bhagavatam is pointing us to prema. So to get to prema, we have to go through all these kind of thinking, challenges to our intelligence, challenges to our conditioning, challenges to our way of thinking and understanding reality, challenges to our reality to prepare us to accept the reality of Krishna and Vrindavan and the loving dealings of Krishna and his devotees. We should always keep in mind the goal. That's called the Prayojana Tattva. Prayojana Tattva means the goal. The word Prayojana means goal. It means ultimate necessity. The necessity of every human being is pure love of God, Krishna Prema. So, Bhagavatam, we have so many misconceptions, so many hang-ups, so many fears, so many phobias, so many conditional ways of thinking and foolish ways of understanding reality, and fears and non-acceptance and intolerance of the unknown. Intolerance of the unknown. It's impossible. But impossible is a word
in Fool's Dictionary.
In Fool's Dictionary. So Bhagavatam is meant for expanding. Expanding our, first we have to expand our mind. Everyone has a heart, but the heart is covered by the mind. Our hearts are very much covered by our mind and our thinking. Our heart cannot express itself because it's covered by the mind. So the Bhagavatam, 9 cantos of the Bhagavatam are to remove the covering of mind over the heart. Cheto Dharvana Marjana. So I love the Bhagavatam because it's an atom bomb to the mind. Mind, you have to lose your mind. So it elevates, it liberates, it elevates, liberates, and enervates. Enervate means to fill you with devotional energy. Elevate, liberate, enervate. Enervate, it's a word in English, means to enthuse with devotional spirit, fill with loving sentiments and energy and ecstasy and joy. This is the purpose of Bhagavatam. So it's fun. It's like, wow. Like I look at the Bhagavatam like a fun movie. I said, well, that's cool. Julie, that, yeah, why not? Have a kid through your nose. Okay, cool. Flying pigs. Okay. Pigs that fly through the sky and fight demons. Okay. You have Lord of the Rings. Princesses riding dragons. You have Avatar. Mermaids dancing in the stars. I mean, you know, if that's true, anything's true. Bhagavatam is way beyond that. Because Bhagavatam brings you to the perfect conclusion. All that stuff is just crazy entertainment. Really crazy entertainment. Avatar, Lord of the Rings, dragons spitting fire. Exciting stuff. But there's no conclusion.
Yes.
There's no siddhant. There's no prayojan. It just comes and goes. But this Bhagavatam will take us to Krishna. Guaranteed. It's like an airplane wing, you know. We're getting close to almost 10th canto. By Janmashtami will be in 10th canto. Before that. How many chapters more? How many chapters in 9th canto?
24 chapters.
24.
24, so we finished 6.
Yeah. 18 more.
18 chapters,
6 weeks.
6 weeks. So May and June is Adhik Maas.
June 15 Adhik Maas. So June 15 to July. Around August 1st.
So maybe Janmashtami will start 10th canto. Nice. Any questions? So I'm saying these things to think about, you know. Bhagavatam is a book for contemplation. It's called Shravanam Mananam. Shravanam Mananam. Shravana means hearing. Mananam means contemplation. You have to hear, you have to think about it, and then you can speak about it. Kirtan. Shravana is a bridge. Bridge between Shravana and Kirtan is Mananam. It's not one of the 9 minutes like by Prahlad Maharaj in 7th canto, but it's a limb of bhakti. Manana means contemplation. It's different than dhyan, different than swaran. Manana is different. Hear the subject matter and contemplate. Bhagavatam said this: what does it mean to me? What is the purpose? How does this connect to my prayojan? How does this promote me to the goal of prema? How does this elevate me? How does this liberate me? How does this enervate me? These kind of questions. And you'll find so much depth in Bhagavatam, so much power, so much sweetness, so much fun. Jai Jai Shri Ram.